Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, what I feel, let's talk about that. And today, I feel so freely, and I feel that I get freedom. And once my husband said that you can go easily out of door and you can enjoy your life with your children, and you can do it easily. And then I when I listen this sentence, I'm very thankful about YouTube, because it's just happened. It all happened just because of YouTube. And he is very influenced by Vikas the Vikiti sir, who is who is a who is a former of IS. And he he conduct he conducted of IS classes. And then I began to think that what is this, and I realized that this is the big market of anything. If you want to sell anything, you can go YouTube easily and access your advertisement, and you can get it, because people understand these things and they know what is the value. And if some good people are spreaded good talk, good things, that means it is the good for all human. And my husband watched her video, and then he realized that I am a wrong person, I am doing wrong, so I should take a little bit change. And they, why not, so they came to me, and then they say that you can do what you want. So I realized that it's okay. And thanks to all YouTubers, because they spreaded a good things. They are full with goodness. Not all influencers, some influencers, maybe not exactly. And all podcasters are not a wasted material. Some podcasters are a good material, and if you listen them, then you recognize yourself that what I am doing, is it okay, is it correct or not. This type of mentality are always available in our human mentality. So once my husband said, then I realized what is the freedom. And I'm a lucky person. Surely I'm a lucky person that I got this husband, and she very loved me. She never expressed, I know that, because they are they are so he is so shy, and I know that. So I can express myself easily, and I can know their situation always. So this is my freedom, and actually I love this. And most important, that through advertising, through marketing, and what is the medium of YouTube, you can expand your all potential. What you think, what you learn, all about this you can expand. And most important thing, if you do something real, if you do something good, then all people are available to listen you, just because of your pure talk, just because of pure heartly talking. And that's why, that's like because the teacher, they do this with confidence and with innocent, with honesty. Most important, yeah. So this is the fact we all people learn from YouTube is a more much distraction, but some aspect of YouTube are good for everyone. I think I realized it, and I followed it. I follow it. So this is my today's conversation. I think it's better for me in the upcoming next year. I know I'm doing such a good things. Not a little bit, not a very great, but little bit. So this requires a lot of effort. You have a effort, you can do easily. And if you repeat over and over yourself, then you can become your best version, at least. Yeah. So this kind of talk, I think this is good for everyone. Thank you so much.